Let's go to question number 987. Vertical order traversal of a binary tree. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given a binary tree, return the vertical order traversal of each node value. For each node at position x, y, each left and right children respectively will be at position x minus 1, y minus 1, and x plus 1, y minus 1. Running a vertical line from x equal minus infinity to x is plus infinity. Whenever the vertical line touches some node, we report the value of the node in order from top to bottom, decreasing y coordinate. If the nodes have the same position, then value of the node is reported first. Value is the smaller. Return a list of non-empty report in order to x coordinate. Every report will have a list value of node. Okay. Let's check with example 1. Okay, in this time, first we traverse left first. So this is the first level, and then this is second level, third level, first level. So first is 9 and 3, 15 and 20 and 7. Okay, let's check the example 2. In this time, this one is first, leftmost first, and then second, and then third equals, this is same, and then first 5. So 4, 2, 1, 5, 6, 3, 7. Okay, let's assume this is not 5, this is 6, and this is 5. How about the output? Output is same or different? Even this one is the rotated, but result is same because different level. This one always first, but same level. When need the level order, same level is the we needed the sorting, ascending order. So we will do like that. So I gonna implement based on level order, but I will modify a little bit. Okay. I will explain. I gonna explain why implement the code. So first we need the output array, and then current array, and then I will put current nodes, and then next I will current append tuple is first is node is root, and then root I will decide root level is 0, and then when we go into left child, and then minus 1, when we traverse right child, and the plus 1, and then this one also same, this one is plus 1, so this one is plus 1 minus 1, so this is 2, this is 0, and then this is 0, and then this is minus 2, so this one is same group. Does it make sense? So I will put 0 here, and then I make the map collection. I will use default div because I would like to initialize with list. Then we can store value as a group of the same level root. By current, and then I will make the next first, that is for next level. Okay, for first is root is node, and then level in current, and then I will put the level is level, and then append current node. Then it will be grouped by level, right? And then next, if node left is exist, I will next append tuple node with left is label, yes, -1. And then next, if node right is exist, node next append, node now is label right +1 -1. And then now I will sorting next sort, and then I will use lambda expression lambda lambd lambda x equal, I will assign as tuple because first I will value and then next key node okay, next first is label and then second is node's value. Did it make sense? And then I will update current to next. And then okay, now we finish the map, and then now we find the sorting the map. Okay, what is time complexity sorting of map? It take n over n, but I would like implement more better way to implement with the linear time. So if we do that, we needed to know start point of end point of level. So in this time, step point is -0, -2, and the start point and end point is 2. To we find the end, we can use min and max. So start is min key and map keys, and then end is the max, right? Maps keys, max value of keys, and then I will iterations I in range start with include and right, so +1. So map output append map I, then I will return out. Oh, okay. For current root collect current node level current level append node. No, not node value, right? And then node left, node right, node right. Okay, let's look at. Oh. Why type make sheet? Map keys right. Map level append node value. If node left is next append node level -1. Left, and then node right. Okay, looks good. Let's submit. Okay, let's check it. Let's check the complexity. Time complexity is it okay, iterate all of node, and then while iteration it used n linear time, and then So there are one sorting. Sorting size is the same amount of the maximum length of node of each level, right? So length of each level is the maximum is k at that time, n log k. That is time complexity. Space complexity is linear space because we use the map and array. Thank you.